Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing part 2 of
the
the
Backrooms
Backrooms
with
with
our
our
friend
friend
Remote
Remote
Control
Control Dot,
aka
aka
Aban.
Aban.
So
So
we're gonna
we're going to
be
be
doing part
doing
2
part 2
of this
of
game.
this game.
Oh wait,
Alright,
the same thing
the same
happened
thing
again.
happened again.
We have to do
We
that
have to
again.
do that again.
Cause I
Cause
did,
I did,
cause Aban, we
cause
had the
Aban, we had the
same
same like
thing.
thing.
Wait, so you stopped recording?
No,
No,
so
so
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Just don't say AK ban. I kind
Okay.
of want
Okay.
to keep it.
Wait,
This,
you don't want
You
them
don't
to.
want them to hear you.
no, so the thing is, my YouTube channel is I'm remote control dot. That's when you type it, but it's just a remote control. That's it. If you want to just be exact, then dot. Afi, where are you?
I'm
I'm away
away
going
into the
into the
Backrooms.
back room.
Open
I
it.
opened it.
Yeah, Afi, I'm the green one, okay? I'm
Hold on.
green.
Hold on.
Okay, supervisor.
Right,
Right, so
me and
me and
Aban
Aban
are
are
now
now
going
going
to
to
head
head
back into
back into
the
the deep
dark
dark
sections
secrets of the back rooms.
I have a
Saw,
As you saw,
as you saw, last
last
time,
time,
You're not going to that van you see, car thing you see ever, golf cart. Because remember, that is where the monster is. He's on top of it. I tried getting on it and I died before you even joined. Yeah, that is the one. You see guest, door 555440.
let's
Do
go.
not go near him. Do not go near him. He will die, look at it.
Aban, come
Aban
in.
told me.
Wait,
We don't want to know.
look.
Let's go away.
Run away.
So
So
Aban,
Aban,
so where
where
did
did
we
we
set off
set off
last time?
last time?
Trying to find level 188.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and
And
we
we
failed.
failed.
So
So
today
today
we're going to
we're
be
going to
trying
be
to
trying to
do that
do that
again.
again.
It's because I had to be quick. I had to go early.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
And then I turned the video.
So
I could hold a briefcase.
we're gonna
We're
try
gonna
to
try
get
and get back
to that
to that
place.
place.
What?
So
Who
So we're gonna be
pausing?
pausing
the video
the video
until
until we get
now.
back now.
I don't exactly remember where we were.
We
Wait, where did you
we're
go?
we're
not
not
back
back
here.
here.
We
We just
let off
let off
a
a
different place.
different place.
So
It is this way. I know that because I remember going this
we
way.
meet
We
go
need
to
to go to
the
Wait, Alfie, stay behind me. Okay.
way
the
back.
band.
Yeah.
Remember that
Remember that
place
place
with
with the big holes in
the
the floor?
Pitfalls.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh.
That place. We were there last time.
We want
We
to. I wanted to
I wanted to
follow the
follow
light.
the light.
Like,
Like,
It's right.
how do you
But
how
know?
do you know?
it's because I went once. I don't memorize this place, but I know I went once. Residential
Treasure
plants.
plans.
What? Where?
Residential plan.
Oh, there.
So me and a band have maybe found something.
No.
Basically, yeah. Look. That's not triggered. But you
A band.
This
This guy's full on us.
so
He might be
just
looking to see us.
I know it's all the way right. It goes all the way up there. We get to a dead end at one point, and then you see the hole. You jump down, and yeah.
Wait,
Is this for the pitfalls or is for the...
No, that's just for level 188.
Oh, I
Level
want
180.
After we get there,
can
we go to the
end of the
end of the line.
Yeah. Which is pitfalls, if you do realise.
No, that's not the end of the line.
It is.
Yeah,
There's another green bit.
Yeah, that's just for to show you where they've built an office.
Is that where the line's supposed to take us?
No. Well, yeah, basically. Basically, I'm going to show like that's danger there. Have you heard of an app called Dream? It's not an app. It's like a thing where people can make games.
Isn't it
Dream YouTuber.
No, not Dream as in the YouTuber. Dream as in like the thing where you get to, you get to make games. What?
Bro,
This footage.
it never ends.
Ends.
Bro,
What just happened?
this employee
This employee is following us.
But yeah. I forgot where it was. Go night. Wait, Alfie, stop. What do you think you're doing? You don't have to continue up there. Like, follow me this way.
Bro, I wish I had, but where did you get that?
I just bought this pass. And then I got this flashlight somehow. I think it's from extra objects. I really need to update the lighting of this game.
Bro, we should do a video on April Fool.
We've already beat that.
So?
Yeah, I'm just saying.
You think we can...
Nah,
I mean, other YouTubers have to do that. There's no point in us doing.
Well,
I was gonna do some garden band, but
let's
I realized
just explore
the
it.
whole game is done. I could complete them for Ban 8. No, 7 or something. 8?
Yeah, what?
The
We
The
just got
light.
to a line.
Just follow
Wait.
it.
Follow it.
We accidentally just got to pitfalls. Well, we can't find it, so we have no
Wait,
choice.
Oh yeah, Ban.
We're
Yeah.
not
We're
at
not at
Pitfall.
Pitfall.
But this is leading to pitfalls, I said.
Alright.
Alfie, by the way, I think I've told you this, but remember I changed upgraded Astro? No. You don't.
Upgraded the Astro Titan camera.
Yeah, upgraded Astro Titan cameraman in...
Did you trade him?
Yeah, I said to this guy he overpaid. I just told him
What
to
did
pay
he-
What did he put?
Sinister, Scientist TV Man, Santa. I don't quite remember all of them, but
So you have
We have
sister.
sister.
yeah, I have Sinister.
I used to have the Gauntlet, but then I traded all my good fix for Engineer. And Engineer's not really good.
To be honest, I mean for a startup, yeah, but not really good.
Hey, man.
Hey, man, look at that.
Can't open
They
it.
boarded it. See, like I'm telling you, it leads to an office or here. Like I could open it for you if you want to see.
The Ace thing.
Laptop.
Laptop.
You can get in, big loser.
Hey, that's a
That's a bit
mean
mean
the
the man.
I mean, he kind of deserves that. We won't have to fall off.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he did follow us a lot
for
for
Okay, come on.
the big
the big
flashlight.
flashlight.
That's... Well, accident.
Right, let's go to the pitfalls.
Wait, let me just check the cameras.
How
So
do
How
they...
we
Oh,
there's another
big
bet.
from the
What
pitfall.
happens if we just fall down no matter what?
What?
innit?
Look.
Oh no,
Oh
I've been
no, I've been there.
Right, let's go
Right,
down,
let's go down where the roof.
So
Wait,
guys,
what happened?
we're gonna
We're
go
gonna
back,
go
where
back where we were.
The-
Oh,
Are you,
Have you fallen?
it's the same place again. Wait, Alfie, yeah. You know one place I've not checked that much? Come down, follow me, okay? Do not go left, okay? Follow me straight.
What's right?
What's right?
What's left?
What's left?
Left. Remember the Crimson Forest.
We need to go back.
Okay, so I've not explored this that much, but
Look wherever
Look
you
wherever
are.
they are.
Fears.
Fears.
we
We've made it
To
to
this
this
spectacular place.
Shh. What is this leading us to? Where did you even go?
I thought
I
I
thought I
was
was right behind you.
I'm going back. Are you
I
chasing
I
me?
think this is where you were.
How about the couch?
Hey,
Where your
what?
This seems
This
like
seems
a
like a
wreck
wreck bed.
bed.
The Backrooms.
There's like a
There's like
blue
a
chair
blue
here.
chair here.
Oh wait, this
Oh
is
wait,
where
this is where
we
we
left
left
off.
off.
Oh, I'll
Was
come
the
to you.
cardboard
I'll come
in
to you.
Denver?
So I'm in
So
the
I'm in the
neighborhood.
neighborhood.
Oh, what?
Where's that
Where's the
supposed to go?
post to go?
I mean, and there's another part here I was trying to explore.
Aren't
Aren't we supposed to go over there?
I think engineer gets better sprint. Let's just check the door. No,
No, it's not
It's
working.
not working.
I think
I
we should
think we
just go
should
in the
just go in the
red
red
house,
house, the orange house,
yellow,
yellow,
orange,
orange
brick
brick
house,
house,
and then we're at the
and we're at the
blue.
blue. There. We've made it.
Just
Isn't this where we left off?
left off.
no. We already got past that.
We need a
We need a
flashlight.
flashlight.
So,
I think this place might be the lights out.
The exit.
The exit.
We've already done that.
Oh,
Oh, fudge.
come on.
Come on.
Yeah, I just didn't teleport somewhere.
Right,
Right, we're coming back down.
Oh, there.
Aban, we're
Come on,
coming
we're
back.
coming back.
No, it's okay.
Coming
Coming
back.
back.
Alfie, you do realise I'm talking. And I just said.
Yeah.
I just exited.
But we're
So we're
back.
back.
Okay. Alfie, wait, put off jump scares and settings. I bet something will happen. You can show the viewers. It'll be very funny. I want to watch
So
your
I
part.
went back to the very start.
I want to see your part 1 on YouTube. But so it's Crazy Alfie, that's your thing.
Yeah.
So,
So,
viewers,
viewers,
we've
we've
not
not really accomplished
things,
anything,
but
but
this
this
will
will
be
be the end of this video.
So
So
bye
bye
everybody.
everybody, and also
Can I show
can I show
you
you what games you should be playing?
So,
So
as
as
if we go into
go
here,
into here,
April.
beautiful. One,
And
and
then
then
if
if
we
we
go
go
into
Oh, you use them.
creation.
Alpha, you do realise you should use OBS, so it's really just you.
Or is
Or today we're going to be playing the
Aban,
back
where's your
version to the back.
Aban,
Aban, where's your
thingy?
thingy?
Thingy what?
Like your
Like
game.
your game.
The game.
Like your
Like your
backroom
backroom game.
Yeah,
Oh, that.
Backrooms
Backrooms
monster
monster
update.
update.
You guys
You guys
should play
should
this
play this
game
game.
Link it in the
Beside-
description, just
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Yeah.
so, like you copy and paste it into. So that's all of it.
Oh yeah, I'm
Oh
just
yeah,
looking
and
at
you
my
should
game
with
as
my
well.
game as well.
And also,
And
so
also
play
play
that game.
that game.
And
And
also,
also,
if you
if you
can you play?
play.
Well, this is
Well,
my
this is
game.
my game.
This
This
game,
game,
Seek in the
Seek in the Backrooms.
And this is
And
me in a
this is me in a
band
band game.
You play that too.
Play that too.
And then I
And
just
then
made
I
that
just
for
made
fun.
that for fun.
And then
And then yeah.
So
So
remember
remember
to
to
like and
like and
subscribe
subscribe
to my
to my
channel.
channel.
And
And
bye.
bye.